goodness, guys, had to come down to the mining farm today because a little problem. Apparently it blew one of my 30 amp circuit breakers, and I had to call my buddy, the electrician, to come pretty much upgrade the circuit breakers, get in there and see what's going on. So give me 1 second, I'll introduce him and let's see how it goes. So here we go. We got Jorge, the electrician. He's trying to figure out what's going on. He's gonna upgrade those, upgrade that. Hopefully it doesn't burn my shit up. Precious miners. I'm losing money, so I hope he knows what he's doing. Alright, I'm gonna let him get back to work. And she is back up and running, you guys. So after 4 hours, because I guess whoever did the wiring last time, that sub panel did a hack job, but my guy did a decent job now. So we got that guy now. I got her ready over there for some 240. Obviously that's back on. Shabam. Beautiful. Keep mining, my pretties. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Cal Miner is out.